Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making Jamaican Callaloo Fritters, and this dish is vegetarian slash vegan dish, right? It's a nice fritters dish, and people in the Caribbean love it. If you're vegan, if you're non-vegan, you will enjoy this dish. So over here guys, I've got all my ingredients that I'm going to be used to make this fritters. I've got some spelt flour, I've got some baking powder, tumeric, and I also got my callaloo here already steamed and cool, because you cannot, I don't like to add callaloo into the flour, into the mixture. No, I like it to be cool. It forms better and it comes out better. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and yeah, we're gonna jump straight into the video. So I'm just gonna add a pinch of turmeric in there. It's just for color, you don't have to, but I like it in there. And I'm also adding in a teaspoon of baking powder. And you all know guys, I'm using this brand, and it's also gluten-free. So yeah, and I'm gonna combine the mixture. I'm gonna mix in everything together. All right, so I'm gonna add the callaloo last. So I'm gonna mix the batter, but not too thin, guys. So I'm gonna add my alkaline water in there, and I'm gonna mix it all. So I'm gonna go ahead guys, and I'm gonna mix it. So now I'm gonna add the callaloo to the mixture. So this is how you want the mixture to look guys. You don't want it to look too saggy, and you don't want it to be hard, because it's fritters, right? And if it's hard, it's gonna be, you don't want the mixture to be that hard. It's not gonna taste good. So I'm just adding that in right there. Now I'm gonna mix this all in together. Gonna combine it all together, because as I said, my callaloo was cooked already. I do not cook it straight from the can, guys. Always cook it up first. So guys, this is how the mixture look. It's kind of look weird because of the callaloo it mixed with the flour. The lighting's a bit bad, so that's why it looks like that. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna fry them. Over here guys, I've got my pot on, and I've got some oil in there. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add the butter into the oil. You don't want the oil too hot, because it will get burned and the inside it's not gonna cook. So I'm just adding them like this. Yeah, this is a nice breakfast guys, or lunch, whatever you wanna have. Whenever you wanna have it, you can go ahead and have it. So right, and I'm gonna allow that to fry guys for about 3 to 4 minutes on one side before I flip them on the other side. Now I'm gonna flip them over on the other side, because 3 to 4 minutes as I said. So I'm gonna flip them over now. Guys, see, it's got a bit of color to it because of the turmeric, and I'm just using a fork to do so. So because of the turmeric, it's got that nice color. And you know turmeric is good for you. Yes, it's really good for you. Wow, they look so good. So good. Yes. So I'm gonna allow this side to cook guys for 3 to 4 minutes, and then we're gonna remove them from the pot. So guys, this is the finished product of my callaloo fritters, and it looks so good. This is the best callaloo fritters ever, I ain't gonna lie. So guys, I just want to say, for all my new subscribers, I just want to say thanks for the support. I see you guys. And yeah, I just want to say, guys, don't forget to hit that notification bell, so whenever I upload, you won't miss a video. And yeah, please like, comment, share. Please tell a friend to come and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I've got some good content coming out for you guys. And guys, I just want to say thanks to each and every one. Wanna go and big up on yourself. Stay safe, stay healthy. And if you're gonna make this fritters, guys, drop a comment down below and let me know how it comes out, if you like it. I love it. Yeah guys, I'm gonna go and big up on yourself, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.